I adjusted her and she fainted. This is just demonstrating the type of adjustment I did. It's not the actual girl.
Uy.
So basically, boom, I performed the adjustment and the girl's like, I'm feeling nauseous. And I was like, oh, okay, whoa. So I come around the front and I kind of like grab her a little bit. And then she just kind of goes, oh. Was I scared? I only pooped a little bit. So I catch her, I bring her to the ground, and I'm like kind of feeling her pulse. But the weirdest thing happened. She starts snoring, like deep snore. She did like 4 of those, and she kind of just like stopped a little bit. And then she came to. I was like, are you all right? Are you all right? She's like, yeah, I'm fine. And then she signed up for a wellness plan to come in once a week. So I think she liked it.